bun has rosemary. So roll it on the table. Oh, I guess you haven't done a half and half one before.
Nope.
They're not that bad. There's different ways to do it, but first we have to split it in half, just like evenly in half. So we have to make a crease for like about how much we want. I think like that much. Yeah, that's more than enough. So that's the crease. I'll make 25. Cut that off. That's going to be for rosemary. And this one's going to be for morning bun. So first we cut a crease in the middle. And that's going to separate our two sides. So this is going to create two morning bun rolls. Alright, that's good. You can cut it all the way through, but Dolores showed me that you can just cut like a little,
just lightly score.
Like a lightly score it in the middle. Just give us a guideline. So once you do that, so now we have to get
the plastic scrapers.
I'll get fancy. So oh, they made a smiley face. That's cute. And then we slap it on. Lob it on.
And we want about an inch on either side? Is that?
On the middle, yes.
For the middle?
Just the middle part. And we leave that section in the middle clear because we're going to put water on it, and when we roll it up, it's going to kind of stick. And for these ones, they don't have to be too thick, just like a little, see the pastry peeking through a little bit. Unlike the cinnamon rolls, those have to be on thick. A little messy. It's fun. Now that it's evenly coated, roll a little bit on the edge just to create the beginning of the spiral. Perfect. Beautiful. And we kind of do the same thing, but just a little larger. The tighter you do it, the better looking the spiral.
Cheesy. Grainy.
It's almost like a beery.
Yeah.
It's almost like a beer bread. If there exists such a thing.
Fresh rye plus like.
And on the other side.
Cheesy.
Perfect.
It's because I'm Asian.
And then now, yeah, we just begin the roll. Alright, and finish it off. Then we stop right here, that inch right there, and then do the other side. You know, then we complete the score that I made earlier. The reason why we do that is I often find that whenever we complete the score first, it slides around when you put the icing on. So now we apply a thin layer of water, not too much. And yeah, so like a little. And I kind of smooth it out because it tends to pool. Perfect. And complete. And then you kind of tuck the seam a little bit underneath. Then we kind of scoop.
And then we're going to need a knife.
Yes, we are going to need a knife.
All right, can you grab that?
Perfect. And these ones are always 2 1/4 inches. I will leave a little bit of room right here, so because that's like the end, and it's kind of there's nothing in there. It's kind of ugly. Lack of a better word. Or anything here. Just to get the measurement. And we'll begin the cut.
Just join the steps for everything. It just takes a while to sink in. Yeah, after a while sink in, but initially it's like,
I did not.
Did not? It's okay.
Skip a day.
Every other is kind of the goal.
Yeah.
So now with these, they're now finished and ready to be thrown on the baking sheet.
dang, those are pretty, you guys.
Thank you.
Nice. This is just going to be great. Yeah, we're going to...
You gonna do a few?
20?
20 on a tray?
12. 4 by 4.
Sure.
So,
Okay. Well, let's take a little out that then.
3 by...
Alright, let's do like maybe like 20 on here. I know we're going to do more, but...
It's too many. Sorry.
Do like... Alright, sure. Do like 10. I'll do like 7.
And you squish them. There you go. Perfect.
Yeah, well, and when it's the smaller number, it's more of a percentage, you know, so...